didn't. All right, how's it going, guys? Another video. Today is Saturday. Today's video is pretty cool, something that I haven't done and I wanted to in a while. We are doing a trail ride and a cleanup. So we're gonna be riding the trails. If we see any trash, we are going to pick up all the trash. We have a trailer, we have trash bags, everything. We have a lot of people. This is set up by the Tampa Jeep Lab and the Tampa Jeep crew. There's a lot of people that go there, have fun, but leave a lot of trash behind. So definitely is something that you want to try to avoid. You don't want to get shut down on the trails that you ride. So let's go ahead and clean up. Let's do that effort. So we're gonna go ahead and clean. We'll be making videos. We're gonna be wheeling as well. So it'll be a fun day. So let's go ahead and show you everything. What is going on over here?
We're a little stuck. We got a little too confident. Oh shit! My fault, man.
Hey, don't worry, it'll be on video.
What if I paddle? Will it get me out faster?
Alright guys, try to go through a mud hole. I got stuck, so I had to reverse out, and just in the process it got so dirty. I'm not looking forward to clean this thing.
Right? Yeah, not straight. 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 Good. Just a little, yep. That way a little. Good, keep coming. The back's gonna go down. Back's gonna drop. Stay right there. Smile. Good job. Straighten up. Straighten up. There you go. Up, up. That first. Trying to get you over this here.
Sissy, get all the stuff in the front of the house. Yeah, put this in the stuff in front of the house.
On the trails, hopefully it'll be contagious. People will see you guys doing it and they'll start doing it as well. So I'm surprised we just didn't find any big stuff. I guess a good job for the park ranger, keeping people out of here from dumping, but normally there's TVs, tires, all kinds of stuff. So, but I think there was less trash out here than the last ride we did. Definitely saw more out here in those areas.
Record heat for September. So.
I usually, when I get out, I'll always see trash all over the place. It's like today.
Alright guys, so we're at the car wash. This thing is filthy.
One eternity later.
What is going on, guys? So we're back at home. I already cleaned the Jeep at the car wash. I only took the mud off the Jeep, and here at home I cleaned it with a bucket, a little hose that I have, and it came out good. Now the only thing I need is some tire shine and it'll be good to go. I do hope that you guys enjoyed the video, but if you need anything else, just let me know and I'll be making videos eventually. Remember, Oktoberfest is next week, so I'll be making a new video for that, okay? See you guys.